By the way, what's going on with my deep face? Is it deep? Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we're coming in. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just getting started. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, Nora. Just give me a minute, my boys, and we'll be getting started. 240. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, stage search. I'm fine. I ate a mango before stream, drank a cup of coffee. But default stuff. We're addicted to the mangoes these days. Here we're coming in. And the money will be going out. I'm well fine. Thank you, Andrew, for asking. What about you? How did you spend your day today? Here we coming in. Plus $100 in profits. Let's get it done. 2 more. Here we go. 2 more. Those late 10s. That's plateau on high points. Okay. Gotta wait for it. Gotta wait for it. To go 40. Here we go. We'll just try to break the level there. The trend is a friend, for the trend get going in the end. 902. Jesus, something's got into my. Whoa. Let me wake up. Give me some time because my brain's gotta wake up from a nap, and we will be starting right away. As for now, we'll just be trading small amounts. We will be, talking to the chat, responding to the questions, because yeah, I told you that I'm gonna be doing that for the first hour of the stream, and for the next one, we are gonna be boosting the donations. So give me some time. Here we go. Mm, 2700. Adding more to that, two more calls out there. How many years did it take to learn right at this level? Actually, it's not that hard. It like will take you 3 or 4 months, and everything else is just experience, like trader psychology. Give me a second to sneeze. when I start streaming, I start sneezing uncontrollably for some reason. Maybe due to the lights pointed straight, not really straight to my face, but maybe due to the lights, because I'm not usually use the lights at all. Yep, and it pays mine. And it pays mine, Snitch Savage. Uh, so it would take you like 3, 4 months to learn it, and the rest to oh wait, it's trader psychology. So you won't be attached to the money, which you trade would be just a number on your screen. And once you reach the level, the trading becomes boring. I wanna do. How's it all going? How's it all going? So it's not even a game for me now. It's just, the labor that I've got to do in order to pay the bills and bring the bread and butter to the table. You are. If I wanted to glorify the trading, I would just, rent the sport cars. I would rent the houses in the Beverly Hills, and I would show off to you all the time that I did like 2 trades and now I'm super rich. No, it doesn't work that way. You gotta be sitting hours and hours and hours a day, monitoring the graphs. Sometimes you will be losing, sometimes you'll be earning. There is no way which you can, allow yourself to have that such a lifestyle with the sports cars and penthouses. Sometimes you're a loser, sometimes you gotta take care of that. Sometimes you are a big winner and you buy the assets and you invest into something and you lose it from investment. Hi Saline, how's it all going? Hi Sue, how's it all going? How's it all going, Sue? Yeah. Hi Rangaputra, hi Surinder. Yep, we've got a lot of you guys in the chat. Thank you all for coming in. To show it's out there. We got fragrance somewhere about now, so. Give me a moment of order 300. My God, that is a lot. That is a lot for sure. Sure there. Nah. Yeah, my boy, yeah. Yeah. I'll trade with as soon as I vision you and willing to run your skill. Okay, Roy Bond, you are free to watch the stream. You are free to ask any questions you want to ask. I'm not selling any educational groups. I'm not selling any educational videos or maybe the courses because I'm not an Android data, but you can ask any questions you want about anything you want. You can just trade yourself or like with a demo account. I've got a referral link in the disposal. Let me give it to you. Hi, Revenant. It's so cool. It's so cool. Oh my god. Sorry, that is the wrong one. Here you go. Just use a demo account, try it out for yourself. You don't even have to make a deposit yourself. Just try out the demo. They won't charge you any money. What's happening? Well, we are trading with Silver OTC on the packet option. That is what's happening. That is what is happening. Here we coming in, and the money will be going out. Something about Fibonacci sequence. Did you spell it right? Is he really Fibonacci? No, he's Fibo. $4,000 in my hand. Here we coming in. To go this out there. I'm using everything that is at my disposal. I'm using the stochastic oscillator function for free. I'm using the boundary bands for confirmation. I use the candlestick psychology. Now, I don't really think that the candlestick psychology really works, but I believe that the candlestick formations work instead. Like you can really identify the candlestick formations and they work most of the time. So I use everything that is at my disposal. But if you call but if you call the visual experience the candlestick psychology, well, yeah, I use a visual experience all the time. Because the pocket optional OTCs are more or less controllable. And yeah, the OTCs are different, but you can quite a bit predict them visually, I would say. I don't know about others, but I do that. To avoid on the shorts. Let's get it done. I'm feeling super refreshed, feeling super hyped up. Feel myself so freaking fresh. My Jesus. Yeah, I don't even need to wake up for an hour. I'm gonna be start to give away any explanations to any questions right away. Chat, if you want to know about something, you are free to ask that. Yeah, because that is short formation. Yep, not sure, right? Here we go. Wilbur goes. We want to have stable growth over there, but we might have some kind of a bounce. Otherwise, we just should. Let me wait for it until something real happens. Here we go. Here we go. Alrighty, 902. Moving on the vet one, 5K in my pocket. I'm running in my pocket. And now I'm a rocket. Hello, bro, from another mother. I'm fine. I'm more than fine. Just coughing a little bit, but it's okay. And I'm also sneezing all the time. But I'm not ill. Yeah, it's something connected maybe to a neural system, maybe to something else. But apart from that, I'm feeling myself more than fine. I ate a mango before the stream. I drank a cup of coffee. So now it's so cool, and now I'm all hyped up. I'm all energetic. I'm ready to wreck and slam. Thank you, Roy Bond. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's nice to hear from you. Uh, did you send something? If you send something, I'm sorry. It takes some time for validation to go through. You gotta send me the screenshot for a third link. Let me give you the third link. Just send me the screenshot, and I'll add you up to the list. The default ones, the default settings. Because validations in crypto take some time to go through. They are not as fast as the banks, so it might take some time. Yep. Making some real dollars on the PO. Hi, Maris. How's it all going, Maris? No, it is. What's wrong with you? We've got the same shots. 1 a.m. Europe ball now. Wow. That is crazy. The default ones. The default ones. It's shot you right there. Here we coming in. 2 shots from the top. Here we go. Yeah, the default ones. 240 on the shorts, 902. Mhm. Like a friend's pocket. Yep, it's pre-recorded, and besides that, I'm a bot. I'm an AI person. And it's all just a fake. And everyone is in chat is a bot. And you guys, my bots, my precious bots, I need you to write something like I'm a bot to confirm that you're a bot. You're a bot. Otherwise, you won't believe me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but we got the first one. We got the bot. Just right about here. Drops with a pocket option like a friend's pocket. I'm sorry, but I don't think it works that way. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You can just withdraw it to your wallet and send it back. Yeah, wow is a bot. Okay, Sue is a bot. We've got 2 bots in the chat. That isn't enough. I want more of you. I'm Slave Chain, Mr. Trans, Spaceman, and my. That was a good one. That is the pocket option web. That is the pocket option web. I debated it in a while. In total, well, we started with 1 grand and now it's 5.5. So it's like, it's okay, I guess. We've got some profits. It's okay. Not blaming anyone. I'm just chilling out. I'm just chilling out. The good vibes. Not blaming anyone, even for the stupidest questions like, what is your time frame for videos, or what does the payout mean? It's so good. We got some sort of an educational stream because I promised, to respond to all the questions. Yeah, the bots should be liking and subscribing the stream. Subscribing. Thank you so much, Sue. Because I promised to respond to all the questions that are incoming onto me through the first hour of the stream, to any of those, to explain the strats, to just talk to you when I talk to you, my guys, because you are the reason I turn on the streams. You can just sit here and run in a chat talking about whatever you want, and I won't mind it. I'm only gonna be banning people for maybe profanities, maybe racism and advertisement and begging. That's it. The default rules. Why is my chat 30 seconds ahead of yours? I'm sorry, I've got a pretty shitty internet. It's got my screen's got a bufferize, and you've got a great delay. Sorry for that. Sorry for that, Charles. To put in the shorts. Keeping it up. Yeah, that's. I've got it. We've got it. Yeah, that's a bearish candle. That was a bearish candle for sure. Okay. Whatever you want. I'm not gonna argue with you. Remember that it's super recorded. I'm an AI person, and I've got the chat full of bots. The David is chained up in my basement, and he's sitting here around just trying to break free. My gosh, didn't go through. Thank you for the likes, my guys. Thank you for the views. Thank you so much. Yeah, we've got a new record audience. We've got a new audience. Yeah, 5.6K. Let's get it done, my bros. Got any questions regarding the trading? Nah, no, David, you ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna feed you, the roasted apples and maybe the water. But you eat out of a cat's bowl. Okay, get off the pocket option. It's cool. Why should I? If chat is behind everyone else, then how would they know when you're able to trade with me? Well, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move really soon. I've decided to read myself a candle, so I think that I'll, decrease the decrease the time maybe by 5 seconds. Not by 5 seconds, by 5 seconds. I'll decrease the delay to 5 seconds with a gigabit net. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it done, River Trader. Let's get it done, River Trader. If you want to copy trade me, well. Okay. Okay, David. See ya. See ya. It was always nice to see ya. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for attention. Thank you for the likes. The Bollinger Bands is default. I think the live is a bit slower because I'm trying to be in the chat with you, but you're slower. Yes, we've got a small kind of a delay. Sorry for that. I can feel the profits coming in already. Yep. Here we go. We've already got 7 grand. We've started with 1 grand. So here we are. We've got 40 minutes of additional stream, and right after that, we're gonna proceed to the donation contest. If you want to take your part yourself, you can use the first link. Donations are voluntary, so I'm not forcing anyone to do anything. You can just enjoy the stream. But if you want to test your luck, if you want to risk your money, you are free to do that. Just specify the amount of items, read the rules, and send me a wallet. No, well, okay, we're getting a ton of withdrawals. 240 on the shorts, my Jesus. Okay, you've got the link. I'll read the rules. And here you go, the James Divine. What a name. Yeah, that's a replay. Besides that, I'm an AI person. And I'm a bot as well. I'm a Chinese spyware bot. That is the kind of content we need more of. Okay. No, I'm not slow. I'm 40 seconds ahead of you, which means you get to pick the trades after. Okay. Whatever you wish for, my guy. Just shut this out there. Remember, I'm an AI person. The PO is fake. And besides that, the chat is full of bots. Gotta remember that. Tell me how you are betting this Master Yoda today on OTC. I'm like 20% balance up, but those 15 seconds. Yep, I can. I'll try to think it. Yeah, the YouTube live is delayed. I can turn it off, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right, says Mark Forlane. It happens because of YouTube delay, and I can't turn it off. I'm sorry. Living in Aurora, the shitty internet, so I'm gonna be moving. I'm gonna be reducing the delay to maybe 3, 4, 5 seconds somewhere around in the future, maybe in a week, maybe in a two. Just give me some time to do that. Mm-hmm. 902, 902, 902. No, it's okay. We gotta have some resistance in chat. Otherwise, it would be downstream without me discussing something. You can just reach me out through a third link. If you wanna do that, you've gotta use the first link, James Dewide, link for the donation contest. If you wanna take over part donation contest yourself, you gotta use the first link. You've got all the links in the chat, Micho. You can use the James Royalton link to goes out there. Here we coming in. 902. Here we go. A shot out there. All right, we got it now. 902. $8 grand in my great end. Gonna get it, gonna get it, gonna get it, gonna get it. So, what is my thinking on those bets? Let me get it done. So now we're falling down on a steep downtrend. I'm gonna be trying to abuse the bounce out there. I gotta find a balance point for it. Perhaps that would be a plateau. Yep, it already is. No, it's not. We're gonna be trying to break the level out there, the level of 20. Yep, but I sent you the link for my private messages. We can talk about whatever you want, but I'm gonna respond and only after the stream. During the stream, I am responding to the screenshots of the donations. Mm. Okay, you were coming in. Gonna be following an uptrend. Yep, we broke the level of 80. We're reaching a super uptrend. Let me put pictures in the chat so I can show you exactly what trades to make in the next 30 seconds. Bro, I won't be able to capture trade that. Yeah, perhaps, bro, I've seen someone streaming live a packet option with similar voice and mimicking your way of speaking. He's a good trader as you, though. He must be a fan, right? He was keeping it moving, keeping it clean. All right. Yep, I'm just like a virus, like a tropical disease. I'm gonna bet and pull advertisement. I'm not betting the haters though. Here we're coming in. Hi, Big Mac. How's it all going? How's it all going? Go out there. Two more cows out there. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. They're just all chilling out there, having fun. If you want something okay, so we've got super uptrend now where we're gonna be falling down to the level of 20. We're gonna keep our level of 20 for some time. It might be reasonable to place some shots out there. Because that seems to be a peak point. Of course he does. I will do the same stuff. The only problem with the corruption is that I'm not a part of it. It's good to be the Trump son. You already got like the stocks for millions and millions and millions of dollars, and you never guessed it right. Mhm. Imagine being like 17 years old and you're already a billionaire. And when your dad dies, you're just a billionaire. You don't have to do anything. All the things you have to do in life are just have fun, like, throw away parties. And that's a fucking ass boring life. No, I'm 30 seconds ahead of you. Smart move. How long have I been? Yep, we've got to capture them. And we've got to capture Nancy Pelosi because she's also doing a silent trading, but she's not telling anyone. How long have you been trading options? Maybe 3, 4, 5 years. I started during the COVID, but it's all really messed up in my head. I don't remember most of the thing. Yep, it's not boring when you are just introduced to the big money. But like, for example, me, I don't even want to buy myself a sports cars. I don't even buy myself the houses because I've got to legalize my money somehow. I've got to wash it away somehow. I've got to create the businesses. So it's a really real pain in the ass. Once you understand that you don't have to pay the bills all the time, it's all prepaid. You don't have to work for the food. It starts to be really boring. And when you've tried to throw away parties, with Coke and maybe some not maybe some, but with alcohol, with cigarettes and all that kind of stuff, you understand how ruinous it is. But I'm sure he's also seen the same, but we'll get you in the picture later. Yep, you're right, Divine Asa. Gonna start a donation contest in half an hour. Be sure to take a part if you want to. You've got the first link in the description. So once you get the money, once it solves your most basic problems with the food, with the heating, with the clothing, you ready to stop caring about it. I don't even want to buy myself pieces anymore. I just wear, the ripped apart pair of Adidas, and I don't care about it. Bro, why don't you make it for your full-time job? That is the beauty of a trading. You don't have to make it your full-time job. You can just work for 1 or 2 hours a day, like I do. My net electricity. And bro, I've got to legalize my money somehow. Because the PO gives me my money in the crypto. So I've got to wash it up somehow. Otherwise, the IRS will get up to my ass. Yeah. Good night, Mundo. Good night, Mundo. Nah, bro. You ain't gonna bite me. 240 on the call. The United States. Sure, it's okay on Cayman Islands. Yeah, probably I'm gonna do that, but as for now, I'm just saving up my assets in the crypto. In the Bitcoin most of the time. I didn't survive a crash of a big orange man, but it's gonna be okay. With the rates I'm collecting the money, it's gonna be okay. Yeah, I know the drill. I know the drill, bro. But I gotta pay the bills. As for now, I gotta create the trust fund for the family. Gotta pay for my little bro. Gotta give out my money to our family. You were coming in. Yeah, the big orange man. I just saw the memes about the man, the orange man bad, and I really saw a resemblance of a Trump to something like orange. So as for from, I don't hate the Trump. I don't really care about politics because they're gonna elect someone who's gonna be a part of a shadow government. But calling for Trump a big orange man is really funny. It's funny as hell. We're still gonna elect someone. The United States. We're still gonna elect someone who is against the people. So why would I bother? Yeah, but it is. It is. It for sure is. But we're gonna select someone. We are always gonna select someone who's just gonna, provide for Israel. The shadow government is always electing someone who's right. So we've just gotta become rich and live a society that way. Yes, there are many, many, and many, lots of billionaires who we don't know anything about. They just read the Wikipedia pages. They just read all the info that exists on them. The medical bills, all the records, all the receipts, everything. They can show their existence. And they are living privately somewhere on the islands, which are not even mapped. And there are thousands and thousands of those guys. Not over a billionaire is public. So I understand that there must be a shadow government. There must be one, and we just don't know who that is. And we will never know. They would have the same level of secrecy like the Epstein did. But Epstein was public, so he just got burned because of that. But can you imagine what happens on the private islands of the billionaires who are not public at all? They can do whatever they want. They can flay people alive. And I'm more than sure that it happened at least twice or thrice. How do I understand when I buy? I just see an uptrend. Yes, for now we've got a big downtrend. We've got a stable downtrend, and that is why it's more correct to shut it out there. Besides that, if we've got a steep fall, we will have a steep growth right after that for some time. That is why we've got to place the call on the bottom of it. What's your opinion about Memadani? How can you contact me? I've sent you the link. Here it goes, yet another one. Game straight at 10. These are my private messages. Gonna respond you after the stream. Who's Memadani, by the way? Zoran Memadani. The new mayor of New York. So I didn't pay enough attention to the news. Gotta check him out. Yep. I gotta check him out. Gotta check him out because I'm not really paying attention to the news these days. The shit's gonna happen even without my involvement. And I've gotta save my brain cells for something else. Yeah, I've heard of the name. I've heard of the name and I've heard of what she's gonna do, but I didn't pay enough attention. It doesn't matter if he's Muslim or Christian or someone else, he is gonna continue ruining even New York. Two girls. He's from an Indian family who got here after Uganda by the great Idi Amin. I wonder, my bros, I wonder what's gonna happen. Yep, Velas is gonna happen in a downtrend. Velas, here we coming in. So Velvet is a plateau and a downtrend, and added more to that. We've got some kind of a stable growth. It doesn't matter if he's Muslim or Christian or someone else or a Buddhist. It matters that he's a socialist, and we can expect the bread lines. My grandfather always talked about a lot about the communists, not in a good way. I guess I gotta blame the United States propaganda for it. You make a New York Muslim city, you should go to the mosque. I don't think that it is gonna happen. It wouldn't be that bad. He'll just, sit around, collect the bribes like every New York mayor does. Maybe he'll change a thing or two, but it's gonna remain the same. The rights of the homeless and women harassment. Just move somewhere else. You don't have to live in New York at all. You're not a businessman on Rolls Royce. You don't have to be in the city center all the time. Yeah, you're right, Big Mac. No, I'm not. Why do you think so? I'm not a Muslim. I'm Orthodox. I am baptized. Well, man can change my honey old machine. Yep, you're right, Big Mac. You're right. And that was what I'm talking about. He's gonna do the same thing that all the New York mayors did. He's just gonna collect the bribes. He's gonna say something like, okay, I couldn't change much, but I did my best. So here comes the new mayor. And it's gonna repeat over and over and over again. Just telling you, it's gonna be the same. Maybe he's gonna invent a thing or two. Maybe he's gonna lolate a thing or two, but it won't change the things on a bigger scale. Nothing ever happens. What would I like to change in New York? I would like to deal with the homeless problem somehow, but uh, not the corruption. The corruption is bad. The bureaucracy. The corruption, but it's one thing. So the bureaucracy. The homeless problem, but it's not a problem. It's more. It's more about the about the crime rate. You gotta fight the crime rate somehow. A thief must sit in prison all the time. Because there are many ways to hustle money in America, and they just prefer stealing. And we gotta create affordable housing. You have a police here, right? So police brutality is also gotta be fixed. There are many, many, many things that gotta be fixed, but one man cannot fix them all. So you've got take priority on something. If the subways clean, homeless, create more jobs, future housing. Yep, you are right, but it's all good on paper. Nobody's gonna solve it because it brings money to someone. When you see the crime rate spiking up, you can just fund the police and steal some of the money from it. Yep, I know. That is why I'm not speaking about. I'm not talking about the politics in my stream, but today's different. I'm just trying to spread the good ideas that you should be earning the money and you should be trying to move away from the society because you would be able to change it. Nothing's gonna change. Yeah, but it's a problem because most of the third world countries are only poor because of corruption. Take like the Ukraine, for example, it's corrupted as hell, but it's got a ton of natural resources. Yeah, okay. The Big Mac, you are to blame. Bye. Thank you, Adrian. So coming back to the trading, because I'm not gonna like go into the deep about the politics. If I'm going to watch me trading, because I didn't want to offend anyone with my speeches. That is unnecessary. It's like I was talking about the politics won't change anything at all, but it might offend someone. That is why I'm trying to restrain myself from talking about the politics. I just wanted to give some of the ideas which I believe in. But nothing's gonna change, and you've got to take it. You've got to live with it. You've got to change your environment. You've got to move yourself somewhere. You've got to buy an island, maybe something like it. Because the society is gonna be running the same way it did. Two goes out there. Here we coming in. By the way, it's already almost 11 grand. Here we coming in. If you want to take part in Nation Contest, which is going to occur in 15 minutes, you've got the first link in the description. It's somewhere about here you go. You've also got the links to my Telegram group in which I'll post something soon. In which I'll post we have a giveaway once we reach 5k subscribers on the YouTube, by the way. So you've got to subscribe. And by the way, you've also got my private messages from the third link. And if you want to trade yourself, you've got the second one. That is it. Two more comes out there. Yeah, I know what who you're talking about. He was a hideous man. 902. What's up, Shaklive? Didn't see you in a while. Did not see you in a while. Yeah, how's it all going? How's it all going? I'm gonna start on Ishikanis in 15 minutes. Just give me some time to try for myself. We've been discussing the new mayor of New York. We've been discussing the politics, that nothing's gonna happen, and the billionaires are ruling everyone and everything on this goddamn earth. Here we go, here we go. Good night. See you tomorrow. See ya tomorrow. Yeah, well, I'm gonna do the thing. Of course, I'm gonna do the thing. The 15 seconds straight. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. That is what I'm talking about. You've got to get rich, to join the club. Gotta go rich to join the club and just live aside for good. Here we're coming in, 12k in assets. Let me just push a shot out there. We're gonna be trying to play the bounce. There should be a small one and the plateau right afterwards. Here we're coming in. Crypto is the one market where you can make 20x less than a year. Yep, you're right, but it's so volatile as hell. Like it's like almost it's got a chances of almost like a casino. But the same thing goes with investment. Have you ever tried investments in the startups? Guys, I've got a rich guy in my hood. He's an investor. Not in my hood, and down here in the hood. In my neighborhood. The VHA and all that kind of stuff. So I've got a guy, he's an investor, and he said to me that 15 out of 16 projects are a loss, like a great loss. But once he's tried, to buy some stocks of an oil company and to find not the startup, but a new invention, he's got the biggest returns of his life. He can now just throw away the work and he's funded all of his debts. He's paid all his debts that were hanging on him from because of the 15 previous projects. So basically, he's got a win rate of like something like 5%, but that 5% has made him living because he's invested right. He's tried many startups in the Silicon Valley, including Vigicero, but now he's fine. It's really easy to make big money once you have a big money. It's really easy to multiply, but when you have to invest $100, well, It sucks to say the least because I used to be in the same situation. It took me a lot of time to achieve a level of wealth that I currently possess. Yeah, we're coming in. Then the money will be going out. Yeah, happy with silver OTC. Because it's smooth most of the time. Gonna be showing from my ice point. Just gotta find my ice points in the first place. To go on there. Did you buy a straight? No, I didn't buy it. It's the most basic one. There are many books written about it. 5 seconds on the candles, 15 seconds for videos. The stochastic oscillator 1433 and the default Bollinger Bands. And goes for least, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna start an ancient contest in 4 minutes. Just Google them. There are lots and lots and lots and lots of them. Just Google the trend strategy. The trend strategy explained. So let's start them somewhere about 5 minutes. I'm gonna separate for myself. Let me write it down in chat. Here you go, my boys. Two shorties out there. 5 seconds candles, 15 seconds for videos. The default stuff. Oh, the default stuff. Here we're coming in. The money's going out. 240 on the peak point, and we've got it. We've got it. We've got it, my bros. That is how we do it. And by the way, if you want to start trading yourself, you've got the referral link. Thank you kindly for it. My favorite one, go to OTC, server OTC, maybe of a brand of OTC. And if you want to take the Bot Nation contest yourself, you can use the first link in the description. There it goes. But I've already sent it a million times, so you've got it. You've got it. You can also try different strats. Like you can try RSI 14 with the Bollinger Bands. You can also try MACD with an alligator. You can also try, maybe something else. You just find it out for yourself. Test that out on your damn account. It won't charge you any money, and you would have the same charts. You would have the same graphs. That is why the bucket option, the PL is goated, is absolutely goated. Because you can always, try it out in a demo and it would be fine. But as for now, we're gonna be starting Venetian Kindness really soon, like in 2 minutes or so. Just let me make one more grind for myself, me and I. Here we're coming in, and the money will be going out. Alright, event 14.5. We've got it. 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 Let me add up something. And we are gonna start with the guy, with Lenny 315. Here we coming in. 1449. Let's get it done, chat. Let's get it freaking done. Here we go. Max it out for a 50. 5 items. Let's get it done. 5 items, 5 items, 5 items, 5 items. I can know. Didn't see you in a while. Yeah, how's it all going? How's it all going, my bros? Yeah, how's it all going? Fine. I'm all fine. Eating the mangoes, drinking coffee. The basic stuff, which I'm gonna do on each and every stream. Go right there. I'm gonna make a first move. Seems to be cool. 315, 60. Yeah. All right. 659, 13. Gonna increase the amount. Yeah, here for the jackpot. Big or okay. Whatever you wish for, my bro. Whatever you wish for. Just send me the screenshot. I'm gonna add you up to the list. 659, 12. I learned so much just by watching. If you got any questions, talk live, you can ask them in the chat. That is the pocket option. That is the pocket option web. You've got the link just right there. You can try it out on the demo, but it won't charge you anything. The boundary bands are default, just the basic ones. Yeah, the candle's now rich. Candle's rich with all his withdrawals. You're gonna get another one. Yeah, I gotta get another one, bro. You're gonna be able to buy yourself a Porsche. Shot right about there. Okay, that is how we do it. Max it out. 2 more to go. Just 2 more to go. Gonna play it over bounce right there. I'm gonna be waiting until the green candle start to appear. Oh, the Lenny seems to be getting it. The Lenny seems to be getting it. Yeah, but I'll get it through. I'll get it through. It's okay. It's so good. No, I'm going to invest manually. I don't use any algos. Just doing it myself. It goes somewhere about there. Go right about now. Okay, here we coming in. It's all there. It is all there. For the hundreds, let's make one more. And Valenda seems to be getting it. Yep, we've got not so stable markets, but we can get it through. Yep, I think we can get it through. Here we're coming in. showed you right there. It seems to be going through because we've made it on a peak point. Yep, it works out. Lenny, you seem to be, yep, you are the lucky guy today. You are most, you have a, oh my god, you were almost demolished. You won by that inch. By a small inch, you were almost demolished, but you were sniped out by the market. They were almost snapped out, but you've got it through. You just barely got it through. I saw the fluctuation, it could kill you. That is the most basic one, veteran strategy. If you want to go into the details, you gotta Google it up. But basically, I'm making the shots on the highest points, and I'm making the calls on the lowest ones. Beside that, I'm just following the trend, and that's it. 80 to 33. Here we go. Here, C20. Let's get it done. A withdrawal request has been sent. And let me make a withdrawal for myself. The next one's Clayton. Let's get it for Clayton. We've got 5 victories in a row, and I hope that Clayton's getting it as well. Thank you, IGDC. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Max it out for 50-75. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is. And it goes for the Lenny. Because he was ready to risk, and if you want to take the part in Asian contest yourself, you've got the first link in the description. Referral, specify the amount of items. Send me a lot, and you are gonna have it. That is the target option. You've got the link. You can just try it out on the demo. I showed it right there. Here you coming in. Here you coming in. Mm, 659.41. I've got it. I'm still yawning, but I woke up like maybe an hour ago, maybe 2 hours ago, something like it. Still yawning. Thank you, Holiday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yep, it's all there. It is all there. Let me make a call. Or just follow it right. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Thank you, Malik. Just give me a second. I wanted to follow the downtrend, but I'm not really sure now. That is a plateau. Let me find my highest point. Yep, 3 more to go. Including that one. Seems to be going through, but just barely. Yep. But no, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, 2 more to go for a Clayton. 4 M's on 350. Wow, that is a lot. That is a lot, but we'll manage it. Everything render, yep, he was there. He was there by the side of the stream, but I don't know where he is now. He must be somewhere about here. You wanted to like have about himself. Mm-hmm. 1200. Here we're coming in, and the money will be going out. Here we go. 2300. Okay, let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get into it. How am I doing? It's Sandash. Just boosting the donations. Just boosting the donations. Got one more attempt to do so on the calculator. One more attempt, and we are good to withdraw. But I'm doing fine. More than fine. I can be creative. Okay. Here we're coming in. Show it out there. Got it through 4100. Got it through, got it through, got it through, got it through, got it through. Let me make a withdrawal for you. 438155. And here goes your wallet. Here goes your wallet. TC20, continue. A withdrawal request has been sent. Here you calculate, and the next one's rain. With 50-cent fonts and balance reduced. Here we go. Here we go, my bros. Here we go. That is how we do it. Max it out. The rain for 3 items. Wow. That isn't a lot. We'll be able to get it. Just give me a second. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Come somewhere above there. Okay, here we go. Yeah, thank you, Watchip. Thank you, Watchip. I forgot to remind you, my guys, if you like that the screen, please double tap your screen to give me out some likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the views, my guys. Thank you for the support. I would be no one and nothing without your support. Thank you. Thank you so much. Gonna be streaming every day, starting from 6:30 p.m. EDC-5 for 2 hours. So subscribe to the channel so you're not missing out on the announcements. And once we reach 5K subscribers on my YouTube channel, I will proceed to make a giveaway in my Telegram group. So be sure to subscribe to the Telegram group as well. Here you go. If you want to take the part in Nation Kindness yourself, you've got the first link. If you want to write me a private message, you've got the third one. And if you want to discard training yourself, you've got use the second one. $5. Two more to go for rain. Just give me out some time. Just give me out some time. Hi, Phoenix. Yeah, my bro, that is the return of the king. What you've been up to lately? How's it all going? I didn't see you for maybe a week or two. No, it's an OTC. We've got some a little bit of a different prices out there. Yeah, that's an OTC. Hi, Phoenix. How's it all going? How's it all going? Didn't see you in a while. What you been up to lately? One more to go for rain. To 1200. Let's keep it going. You fix your sleep schedule. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, the uni is more important. Thank you, Sriresh. Thank you so much. But I'm glad to see you once again. Gotta make the third one. Yeah, but I'm getting a ton of likes. We got the 50 likes. That's a W. Baron Furnace. What is that? I'm gonna Google it up. Where is that? Place a shot right about there. Okay. Wow. That is the port cities, I get it. Yeah, Rain's getting a withdrawal. Rain's getting a withdrawal. It doesn't matter if the market fluctuates. I'm a goat, so but Rain's getting a withdrawal. Let me just that. My guys. Yeah, how's it all going? How's it all going, my newcomers? The Rain's getting a withdrawal. Hannah Victoria is the next one. Here you go. A withdraw for 50. If you want to take the partnation kindness yourself, you've got to use the first link in the description. Hannah Victoria. That would be a tough one. For 5 on 5. Max it out. Okay, okay. In order to add something up to that one. Thank you, Austria Group. Yep, I am the software. I'm a bot, and it's all pre-recorded. Besides that, I'm an AI person, and we've got a chat full of bots. We've got a chat full of bots. And if you're a bot, please, if we've got to calibrate you, you've got to give me a plus in the chat. So please give me a plus if you're a bot. Gotta be mind control of the bots. Wait a second. They're gonna give me a plus. The bots! I order you to give me a plus in the chat. Oh my god, the bots don't listen to me. Okay, so it seems like we've got no bots at all. Bro, that's an OTC. That's an OTC. We got a little bit of different prices out there. The just give me a plus in the chat like that. 100% leverage. If you win it, you win it. If you lose it, you lose it. We've got one bot, and the first one is the mod. 658. Okay. Gotta do more of that. Gotta do more of that. Gotta do more of that. Yeah, the worship is also bot. The Mitchell is a bot. Yeah, we've got plenty of bots out there. Yeah. No, we don't have the bots because I'm a bot as well. I'm an AI person. 658. Mm-hmm. Four more attempts for Victoria. Four more attempts. I'm gonna be shooting right about there. We're gonna be falling down for level 20. Yeah, Kenna was a bot. Oh, that is the bucket option, Alexander. That is the bucket option web. You've got all the links in the description. If you want to pay the bot nation Canis, you've got a first link. 658 in the call. You've got to use the VPN because you know the bucket option doesn't like to pay the taxes, so it's banned in some countries. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Max it out. 3 more. This sucks. That sucks. But you can still take the bot nation Canis if you want to risk the money. No, you don't have to make that much in 15 minutes. You've got to wait for taxes. 2300. You'll ask for the withdrawal in crypto and you won't pay any taxes at all. Be smart. And 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Max it out. Gonna be falling down from a level of 80. Give me some time to think about it. Here we go. Yep, I went down from a level of 80. The United States of America. Here we coming in, and the money goes out. We've got to make 1 more for Hannah Victoria. Yeah, we've got like 20 victories in a row. That is a lot. I hope that I'm not gonna mess it up, and I'm gonna withdraw it for Hannah Victoria. She's gonna be able to buy herself a Gucci bag. I'm gonna pay it over bounds. Just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Here we go. That is the lowest point. And now there's gotta be a small correction right after that. Yeah, we're almost having it. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. My gosh. My gosh, it was snapped down. I'm sorry for that one. Sorry for that one. It's sorry for that, Hannah Victoria. You're not buying yourself a Gucci bag today. I'm sorry for that one. Cannot make a withdrawal for everyone. We've got to lose sometimes. You were snapped out by the PL, so that's it. That's it for you. Sorry for that one. We've got 3 withdrawals in a row, but now, nah. Yeah, not the guy today. I'm sorry, not the girl today. The next one's Brendan, 350 on 4. So I've got somewhere about like 20 victories in a row, but now we're having, well, now we had the first loss. I guess that is a cool stat, like the 98% of a win rate. So let's keep it that way. Let's make a withdrawal for Brendan. But before that, we've got to make 4 trades with that. But that's quite a bit risky, but I think it's manageable. So let's get into it. Increase the amount, max it out for 50. Make a call somewhere above there. Yeah, the first one goes through. That is a stable one. That is a cool one. Mm-hmm. Here we go. A call right about now. We'll just follow the trend. We got a super up trend out there. Maybe I've missed out Venom's point. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I just barely got it. You barely got it. You barely got it. Okay. Oh my gosh. You were almost sniped out. Sorry for yelling. Sorry for yelling, but you were almost sniped out of the same situation with like with the rain. You just won by a small inch. All right. So we've got to have the third one through. We've got to have a fourth one through, and we could make a withdrawal. Yeah, the market is spoiled a little bit. It's difficult now. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Shut out there, Mr. David Barrows. Mr. David Barrows, good evening for you. How's it all going, Mr. David Barrows? Gonna be following the down. Mike. And it bounced just like that. Yeah, the market spoiled. Sorry, Brandon, but the market has spoiled. The market has spoiled. Sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. I'm really sorry for you, Brandon, but you were snapped out of the PL. You got 2 of those through, but now the market fluctuates. 5 seconds for the candles, 15 seconds for the deals. Sorry for that one. Sorry for that one, Brandon. Gotta try the next time. Ask for less amount of attempts. The next one is Josiah. The next one is Josiah. Here we coming in, and the money will be going out. Here we go. Gotta make a move. There's gotta be a bounce, so I think we might just make a call somewhere about that. Yeah, it's 7:54. 7:54 p.m. It's the Friday. It's gotta be the Friday's night. I go somewhere about that. Here you come, Josiah. Yep, here you almost come. Oh my god, yep, here you go. Yep, I am. Nah, you gotta check it yourself. 4 more to go. We got the list. We haven't got the list. Okay. Okay. So if I just goes the camera on, proof 5. Okay. Find the points. Let me find the point. Let me find the point. What indicators are you using? I'm using just the stochastic oscillator 14 for free in the Bollinger Bands, the default one Bollinger Bands, hard world. Shout out to the new guys, still the new guys on the stream. How are you doing? How are you all doing? Hi, it's a new command and see you in a while. Gonna max it out. Let's get it moving. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Sure to write about there. Sent me 359 US donation yesterday morning under the extremist. Can you send me a screenshot of your donation? My God! Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna post donations for now. I'm gonna test out the market. This is not normal. This is not normal. This is not normal. I'm gonna stop donations for like 10 minutes, my guys. I've got to test out the market. I'm gonna test out the market. I'm not gonna lose any more of them. Let me check it out. Let me check it out in the widget. No, sometimes it happens in an OTC. Let me check out the market for myself, and we're gonna continue with the next guy. We're gonna continue with Cameron. So that was the Cameron. We're gonna continue with Gano. 2 grand for 2. Because I don't want to. I'm just running the zero for me, myself, and I. Let me check it out because I can see it in the widget. Just send me the screenshot, please, Sean. You've got to send me the screenshot that you've made a nation. Maybe that's the problem on the Tunicate side. So let me confirm. It must be there. It must be there, so you'll get yourself on the list. Even if you don't get yourself on the list on that stream, you'll get yourself on the list on the next stream. I'm gonna be streaming every day, 6:30 p.m. UTC -5, so be sure to subscribe to not to miss it out. Queuing going in. Max it out. Here we go. Not yet. Not yet. I'm glad I didn't make a move. Okay. Echo right about now. Playing it off a bounce. It's fell down a little bit, but it's gonna be a plateau. So it bounced from a level of 80. Yep, it's gonna fall down in no time, but I decided to. What the fuck is happening? So it breaks for level? Or does it just kiss for level of 80? Yep, it broke a level. Alright then, but it's a weak breakthrough. Give me some time. Give me some time. Mix it out. Mix it out, mix it out, mix it out, mix it out. Wait a second. It's gonna bounce. Yep, but that's the thing. Got a lot of green candles. I cannot just shut it out there. I gotta wait until it clarifies or reaches the peak point. Here goes. It should be fine from that moment forth. My gosh, why is it so small? Here we go. 6 grand and my great end. I don't know. How's it all going? How's it all going, my champ? Yeah, how's it all going? Just testing out the market because it's spoiled a little bit. And if it's gonna be fine, I think we're gonna boost the cattle. 2 grand for 2 items. Brazil. That's cool. That is cool. That is cool. Just. My gosh. Yep, it's hard today. I go right about now. We're gonna be home with a trend. That is a stable super trend. So, yep, we've got it. Yep, we've got it. I use a trend strategy. Followed up with a bunch of bands, which I default, and with the stochastic oscillator, 14 for free. And I almost lost it. 12 grand in my gritty hand by the Martingale strat. Jesus. Okay, so let's continue. The market is good now. It's controllable. The next one's Cano. Or is it Cano? Yeah, it should be Cano. Oh, then it was the Cameron. Yep, I'm using the Martingale strat impersonations. The next one's Cameron. Cameron 350 on 5. Max it out, max it out, max it out, max it out. The next one's Cameron. Gonna be shooting from my ice point. Here we go. Got luck out there. That was the easiest one. 4 more for withdrawal. 659. Yeah, that is a good one. Oh, that is a good one. That is a good one. It will be alright, Keno. It will be just alright. Let me get it done. Hi, Evans. How's it all going, my bros? How is it all going? How's it all going? Yep, no risk, no Ferrari. I'm just boosting the nations right now, but I've started with 1 grand. I got it to 13k, and now I'm boosting the nations. If you want to take part in the nation contest yourself, you've got to use the first link in the description. Read the rules, specify my amount of items, specify the wallet, and we shall send it back, and you'll be good here. 659 on the shorts. Yep, I better have it through. Oh, right, it's so controllable. 3 more to go for a withdrawal. Jesus. To 1200. The first attempt is always covered, so you can just ask for 1 attempt and that'll be it. Here we come. Yeah, the confirmation for referral link. You know something, Lando? Are you here not for the first time, but because you know the ball? My guys. Wow. That is a draw. We're just gonna continue moving. I guess we're gonna continue moving. 3 more to go. You're almost snapped out. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. You're just dancing on the edge of a blade. It will be fun. $200, here you come. Here you come. 2100. Okie dokie. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Mix it out. Yeah, that is the target option. You've got all the links you need in the description if you want to try, like I do, try it out yourself. 2 more to go. I'll just to make a call somewhere about not a call. But okay, here we go. That is the lowest point. That should be on. Oh, that's cool. You can start right away if you want to. Just bet, I don't know, like $2 or $3. Use a trend strategy. Make it slow and steady, bro. Gotta make it slow and steady. Call goes through, and we've got a withdrawal for Cameron. What a big G he is. 8200. Here we go. Here you go, and here goes your wallets. Okay. Wow. That is big. That is big for sure. Added to 42. Here is your wallet. TSC20. Yep, you've got it. Continue. A withdrawal request has been sent. Okay, so the next one is Scanner with $2,000. The guy's playing big. So let's make it worth it. Let's make it worth it. Let's make it worth it. Yep, you're right. The first link in the description. Just specify the amount or then specify your odds, send me a screenshot for the confirmation. Yep, because that is how it works. If you want to take the part in the Nation contest, you've got to be using the first link in the description. Just specify the amounts, like 3, 4, 5 items, and specify well, it's in which you'll send it back. Yeah, Kendo is the next one. The guy from the chat, he's the next one. We're gonna be making 2 attempts with the full amount. Yeah, that is the rookie mistake. Jalale. That is the rookie mistake. Max it out. Max it out. Yep, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make a withdrawal live. Max it out. Max it out. Max it out. Max it out. The silver OTCs is given today at ton. The silver OTC, the Bounty bands, and the Sakesi Oscillator 14 for free. To rate in silver OTC. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm gonna have a confirmations. It's going to be a small bounce. We're going to shut it right about now. It's not going to break the level of 20. It's way too weak in the candlestick formations. Yep, we've got it just through. 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 It is 700. That is an OTC. It's open 24/7. Yeah, we've got it just like that. Let's get it done. Last one, and we're gonna get you a widow. Now I ain't gonna send you the money, Jordi. Ain't gonna send you the money. No, it's not. We've got a strategy. Yep, I've got the risks, but we got a strategy. That's an OTC. It's open 24/7. Here goes the call. And we're about to make a withdrawal. There's gotta be the bounce. I gotta have a confirmations from my Bollinger Bands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got it. We've got it, Kendall. We've got it. You are the big freaking winner today. You are the big winner. 7 grand and 2 attempts. Wow, that is a lot. Let me make you withdraw. Let me make you withdraw. No risk, no Ferrari, Kendall. You remember that? And you got it. Let me find your wallet. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. 7071. Here goes your wallet. Here goes your wallet. Yep. Risk is controllable, like a game of poker. Here it goes. The 7 grand is in your hand. Withdrawal request has been sent. The bounty bans is default. The bounty bans is default. The next one is Chase Monroe for $50. Yeah, but and we've got one withdrawal and it takes like 5 minutes. It takes like 5 minutes because I got an VIP account. It's just fast. And right after that, I can make another one. There's no problem with what's wrong with that one. The VIP account allows you to make as many withdrawals as you want to have. You must have a normal one. That is why I don't know how it works. Yeah, that is a donation contest. Hi, Crypto Gates. Hi, Crypto Gates. Hi, Mom. Hi, Howard Cooper. How's it all going, my guys? How's it all going? By the way, if you enjoyed the stream, please don't forget to give me out some likes and the subs. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank all of you. Thank all of you for the support, my boys. Thank all of you. We've got a great withdrawal for Kennel. You've spoiled me. No, I didn't modify the bounty bands. Just buy a Gucci bag or maybe an LV one. Maybe buy a supercar. Hi, Ja. How's it all going? How's it all going, my bro? How's it all going? How are you feeling yourself? Fine? Yep. Good morning, Ja. I'm fine. I'm more than fine. Thank you. Thank you for asking me. Thank you for asking me. That is nice to hear. That is really nice to hear. Yeah, Vija, like a local guy from a chat. Like my Finex. Which one from Nigeria. Wow. That is far away from the States, to be honest. Here we're coming in, and the money will be going out. Yeah, thank you, Worship. Thank you for the reminder. And by the way, my guys, once we reach 5K subscribers on the YouTube, we are gonna have a giveaway in my Telegram group. So be sure to subscribe. If you've got any questions you want to ask me in private, you've got a third link. If you want to take the donation contest yourself, you've got the first one. And if you want the name of a broker, you've got that one on the second one. Now that's an OTC. You cannot find it on a trading view. I have 350 4 times in a row for Chase Monroe. I've got. Yep, most of the time. But Dark Cloud gives me like 80 and 90% of win rate. You can just use the second link to trade yourself, or you can use the first one for the donation contest. Here you go. You've got all the links right there. Gotta mix it out. Gotta mix it out. To my Telegram messages, you must have sent them to my Telegram messages. Let me check it out. Okay, just give me some time. Gonna check it out. Just give me some time. Just give me some time. Gonna place some trades. Gonna listen, talk to a chat and gonna place the trades and gotta check out the screenshots. So you gotta give me some time. But I don't think that you'll get yourself on the list on this stream. We're just gonna hang you on to the next one. We're gonna hang you on the next one. I'm gonna stream every day, 6:30 p.m. DTC -5. So be sure to come tomorrow. I guess it's gonna be okay. I'm not gonna forget about you. If you've got any troubles, if you've got any problems, just be free to write me in the chat. Just be free to contact me through the third link in the description. Yep, I'm growing bigger and bigger. Echo, just about there goes. We're gonna follow the trend. Yeah, we're coming in. 3 more to go, as I reckon it. No, 2 more to go. 2 more to go for a withdrawal. Let's get it done. And by the way, we got only 12 minutes of the stream, guys. I'm streaming for 2 hours, so let's finish up those nations which that I have now. And I won't make a new list. Yep, I won't make a new list. We're just gonna make a new list tomorrow. So if you send it now, you're gonna get yourself on the list tomorrow. Okay, I know. Okay. 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 I'm happy for you. I'm really smile right now. From a purity of my heart. You are the winner today. You are the winner without any shadow of a doubt. So enjoy. Enjoy spending your money however you want. It's like winning a lottery. But you've got the chances. You actually get a withdrawal without any taxes and without the government, pointing at you that you're a winner. So if your relatives can now. 2 more to go. I cannot find when it's point. Just give me out some time. Like I always ask you to give. Got any questions? Feel free to ask me in the chat. If you want to talk to me or maybe you want to discuss something else, I'm always free for discussion. Just made a call from a lowest point. Should be it. Because we've got the match chopped up. Gotta have a bunch of events moving within the same direction of a stochastic later. Besides that, there are candlestick pattern confirmations. Now that's an OTC. It's open 24/7. Man breed. It's open 24/7. One more for withdrawal. Candles, what's your name? Martha. Hi, Martha. How are you doing? Your guy, your man is a champ. He's an absolute chad. He's earned your whole year budget in maybe a few streams. Like, did you withdraw 25K? Something like it. You gotta stick your man. That's the case of Constellator. It's forwarding for free. Thank you, Misha. Thank you so much. Gonna be seen forward. Was it? Okay. Okay, gotta make. Gotta make a withdrawal. 5 seconds for the candles, 15 seconds for videos. 43.76. Here we go. And here goes the wallet. Okay, receipt 20. A withdrawal request has been sent. That is all that is. The next one is Joseph, 350, 5 items. Thank you, my guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The next one is Joseph. Thank you, Mitchell. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Bye bye. See ya tomorrow, Mitchell. Yep, you can. You can use the first link in the description to take part in Nation Contest yourself. Just read the rules, specify the amount of items. And specify your wallet. Here you go. Here goes the link. Echo right about now. Gonna play it over bounce because I've already seen some of the green candles. I don't need any confirmations from that. Here we go. Just have to send me the screenshot of a confirmation for a third link. Let me give you the third link. That is an OTC, my guy. That is an OTC. Here we coming in. And the money is going out. Max it out. 4 more to go. Hi, Manel. How's it going? How's it going, champ? Yeah, but it's an OTC if I walk 24/7. $6.58 in the short. Hi, Baker. How's it all going? 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 200. Oh, that's not a junk that is the zero OTC. I'm trading it on VPO. The Packet Option Web. Hi, Alex. You can find it on the Packet Option. Let me give you the link. Yeah, bro, it happens, but it's alright. It's just alright. I'm already used to that. Streaming maybe for a month, and then, the guys ask the same questions. So it's okay. Ah, come on. Okay, whatever you wish for, HBO out. Whatever you wish it to be. You might be a fly. The shit is everywhere. Go right about there. It's okay. It's okay. No one else. It's okay. Just trying to trade for viewers. I'm a star. Yeah, hi bros. Hi bros. How's it all going? How's it all going? How's it all going, my bros? You got any questions? Feel free to ask those. Guys, as for now, we are trading for the guy. We are trading for the Joseph. We've got 2 more to go for withdrawal. So be sure to subscribe. Be sure to subscribe and not to miss out on my streams. Yeah, you'll get yourself on the list tomorrow because we've got only 5 minutes of a stream. You'll get yourself on the list tomorrow. Just wait for it, wait for it. I'm gonna stream every day, 6:30 p.m. UTC -5. No, I'm a bot. I'm a bot, and we've got a chat full of bots, and it's open recorded. It's but of course I am live. You can ask me any questions you want to ask. Sure, it goes there. No, it's not. But you can withdraw in crypto. UTC -5. 6:30 p.m. UTC -5. You can just subscribe to the channel. You'll get an announcement of the stream. My gosh. Yeah, I'm sorry, Joseph. You've missed by that inch. You've missed by that inch. You've missed just by an inch. Sometimes it happens. No risk, no Ferrari. Gotta withdraw for Gano, but I'm sorry for you. The winner takes it all, and the loser has to fall. I'm really sorry for you, but you've almost had it. You've almost had it. How's it all going, my bros? How's it all going? We've got 75 likes. We've got a record of viewers. Got any questions? Feel free to ask those. Gonna be boosting the nation for the current, and that's gonna be it for today. And that is gonna be it for today. Max it out. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. No one knows. Thank you so much. Just give me some time to think about it. Like per day, maybe 10, 15K per day, something like it. Sometimes I lose. Sometimes it's 5K, sometimes it's 3, but today it was like 13K, so I bet I make 3 to 5K a day. Gonna be make a go. No, I'm just boosting the donations of my viewers, so I gotta use the martingale strategy to boost those. For example, we are boosting the Karin now. He's got 4 attempts. He's got 4 attempts, and that is how we will do it. We're gonna increase the amount each and every time. And we've got 3 more attempts to do. And if he's successful, we're gonna make him a withdrawal live. That means we're gonna make him a withdrawal live. McCannell's got a withdrawal today. He's got a 7K out of 2. He says for 2 attempts. Okay, let me mix it out. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Just have to find it because the market is really chopped now. Gotta be trying to find the best point. Yep, it's chopped. Gonna be following a downtrend. Here we go. That seems to be the highest point. That is the target option web. You've got all the links in the description. Here it goes. What's wrong with that one? I put it for 63K in 3.5 years. And wow, that sucks. No one knows. That sucks for real. That is why I'm asking the guys to use the damn account all the time instead of risking the money right away. You can try your luck in the donation contest if you wish to. Just for 2 or 3 attempts. Let's have a like it. But we're gonna end the stream in 1 minute, so just gonna do a withdrawal for Karin if he manages to make it, and it's gonna be okay. If you wanna take the donation contest yourself, you've gotta use the first link. And by the way, my guys, if you like the stream, if you like the thing that I'm doing, if you like my lives, you've got to give me out some likes and the subs. You got to give me out some likes and the subs. Thank you kindly, because I wouldn't be nobody without you. I'm going to be streaming every day, 6:30 p.m. to C-5, so be sure not to miss out my stream. Subscribe, give me out some likes. We got 75 likes. Thank you so much. Here we go. Yep, it seems to be going through. My Jesus. My sweet lord. Yeah, we've got it. And once we reach 5K subscribers on the YouTube, we are gonna make a major giveaway in my Telegram channel. Here we go. We're gonna make a withdrawal for Karin. You are the lucky guy today. 3372.
And let me find your wallet. Here you go. Here's C20. Here you come. And withdrawal request has been sent. Yep, straight to the moon, straight to the moon for Karen, and I was muted all the time. I'm sorry for my, sorry for that. I was muted all the time. So that was straight to the moon. Thank you all guys for coming in. Thank you all guys for coming in, for doing your thing. You are the greatest. You are the greatest. If I manage to reach 5K subscribers on the YouTube, then I'm gonna make a major giveaway. I'm gonna make a major giveaway in my Token channel. I think we're gonna be winding it up. It's already been 2 hours. We've made a ton of withdrawals. We've made a ton of the profits for me, myself, and I. We've made a ton of profits for the viewers. We've got away Kennel. We gave away Kennel with $7K. So I think it's gonna be it for today. Yep, it's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you all for the likes. Thank you for the views. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you for the trust, my boys. I really love you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my future streams. Gonna be streaming every day. Don't forget that. Subscribe to not miss it out. And I think that is it for the day. If you want to take the part in Nation Kindness, you've got the first link. Here you go. You're gonna get yourself on the list tomorrow. You're gonna get yourself on the list tomorrow if you want to take the part in Asian Contest. Just send me the screenshot through a third link to get confirmed. Here you go. Thank you all for coming in. I think that's it. Bye bye. See ya tomorrow.